Welcome to Luxury Cars Drive, where we bring you the finest, most advanced and luxurious vehicles the world has to offer. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey inside the 2026 Toyota Motorhome van, a machine that's not just a vehicle, but a lifestyle on wheels. This isn't your ordinary van. It's the future of travel, a complete transformation of what it means to hit the road in comfort, style, and innovation. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome van is designed to offer the kind of freedom you've only dreamed about. Imagine waking up to mountain views, forest trails, or coastal roads, all from the comfort of a high-tech mobile home with a stunning futuristic design. This van catches attention wherever it goes. The exterior is sleek and aerodynamic, crafted with smooth curves, integrated LED lights, chrome finish detailing, and a bold front that screams presence and power. The tinted panoramic windows wrap around the sides, giving both privacy and a view. It's a masterpiece of design built for the roads of tomorrow. Step inside and you're greeted with something more luxurious than most apartments. The smart sliding door reveals a fully furnished, ultra-modern cabin that blends technology with comfort seamlessly. Soft touch materials, elegant wooden textures, and ambient LED lighting give the entire space a calming vibe. The lounge area includes a premium, memory foam sofa that converts into a full-size bed with one-touch automation. Overhead compartments are flush with the ceiling for hidden storage, while the floor features synthetic wood panels that adjust to temperature changes. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome van features a 42-inch old smart TV that retracts from a hidden panel, full surround sound speakers, and a mini workstation equipped with high-speed 5G Wi-Fi, wireless charging docks, and a voice-controlled assistant. The kitchenette is compact yet complete, with an induction cooktop, touch-sensitive sink, filtered water system, fridge, microwave, and even a fold-out dining bar. You can cook, work, relax, and sleep, all without leaving the van. Everything is controlled through a central touchscreen interface or via voice commands. Just say the word and your lighting, temperature, and entertainment system adjust instantly. In the rear, there's a private washroom unit with a smart toilet, compact shower cabin, LED mirror with integrated defogger, and even a heated floor. Every inch of the design has been optimized for efficiency and luxury. The van even features a UV air purification system to keep the environment clean and fresh during long journeys. With built-in solar panels on the roof, the van charges itself. In daylight, it uses a hybrid electric powertrain, combining gasoline and electric motors to provide maximum torque, quiet operation, and impressive fuel economy. Whether you're climbing hills or cruising highways, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome van handles like a dream thanks to adaptive suspension and intelligent drive modes. Driving this van feels like piloting a spaceship. The futuristic dashboard includes a fully digital driver display, heads-up windshield projections, haptic steering controls, and 360-degree cameras that give you full awareness of your surroundings. Advanced features like auto park assist, lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and smart braking give you confidence and ease. The AI navigation assistant even finds scenic routes, recommends rest stops, and monitors weather and traffic conditions in real time. Everything is designed to keep you safe, entertained, and relaxed behind the wheel. What truly sets this van apart is the personalization. You can choose your own interior style, from minimal white and gray themes to warm leather and wood tones. You can even select optional modules like a pop-up roof for extra space, off-road tires for adventure travel, or a projector system for outdoor movie nights. Toyota has gone beyond transportation. This is a vehicle that adapts to your lifestyle. It's not just about getting from one place to another. It's about enjoying the journey in complete comfort, wherever you go. Storage is no issue in the 2026 Toyota Motorhome van. Underfloor drawers, roof compartments, wall-mounted hooks, and hidden cabinets ensure that every item has its place. You can pack camping gear, tech equipment, clothing, kitchen supplies, and still have room to spare. Whether you're a digital nomad, a travel vlogger, a family road tripper, or a retired couple chasing the horizon, this van fits into your life perfectly. It's engineered for people who want the freedom to explore without compromising on style, technology, or quality. The market for motorhomes is growing fast, but Toyota has positioned this model ahead of its time, with a starting price expected to be under $100,000. It offers more features, better fuel efficiency, and smarter design than most luxury RVs that cost twice as much. Compared to models from Winnebago, Airstream, or Mercedes-Benz, the Toyota Motorhome van leads in every major category: technology, comfort, efficiency, and aesthetics. This is the future of road travel, a true combination of mobility and luxury. No hotels, no airports, no limits, just you, the road, and an ultra-modern van that feels like home. For content creators, this is a mobile studio. For business travelers, it's a moving office. For explorers, it's a luxurious base camp. For families, it's a safe and cozy space to travel together. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome van breaks all the boundaries. Toyota's commitment to safety is also on full display. Anti-collision sensors, automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, night vision assistance, and voice alert systems make sure that you and your loved ones are protected at all times. It's built on Toyota's renowned global platform known for durability, longevity, and low maintenance. That means this van is ready to go the distance. Whether it's a weekend escape or a year-long cross-country expedition, inside and out, the experience is unmatched. Every detail is intentional. Every inch has purpose. The rear seating area transforms into a comfortable movie room. The ambient lighting changes with your mood. And the smart home features ensure your van is just as intelligent as your house, maybe even more. And it's not just comfort, it's performance, with torque-heavy acceleration, smooth cornering, and electric-only mode for silent operation. The driving experience feels incredibly refined. Even at highway speeds, road noise is reduced to a whisper. Toyota has proven again that innovation and luxury can go hand in hand, and that the road can feel like a resort. Whether you're parked at a lakeside cliff, under the stars in the desert, or in a snowy forest clearing, the 2026 Motorhome van gives you a private retreat in every destination. And it's not just a van, it's your second home, your studio, your escape pod, your gateway to the world. At Luxury Cars Drive, we believe in vehicles that don't just move, they inspire. And this van is exactly that. It's a vision of freedom, a creation of comfort, and a celebration of everything we love about the open road. Toyota hasn't just built a motorhome, they've built a dream machine. Make sure you subscribe to Luxury Cars Drive for more unbelievable machines, next-gen cars, and luxury vehicles you've never seen before. If you're someone who believes that life is better in motion, then the 2026 Toyota Motorhome van is calling your name. Don't just go on vacation, live the journey, live it in style, live it with the future in your hands.